Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am awaiting in my house for the first arrival that I have of pallets from Via Trading. And I'm going to show you exactly how they drop them off and in what condition they're in and how many I got. So the first thing I've got to do is I've got to get my space clean so that when I do my unboxing, everything is clean and tidy just in case I accidentally drop an item on the floor. So you see me here just sweeping out the open area. Now that I've got all the bulk pallets processed, I've got some room here to get more pallets in here. So I'm getting it all swept out and nice and clean. And then I think the truck is coming, and so I'm going to have to give instructions to the driver as he pulls up. Yep, here he comes. So I give him instructions to basically how to back in this area. I've got a narrow street, so he's going to back in very, very carefully. He didn't quite get close enough, so he's going to come out, kind of see where his lift gate ends up, and then let's see where he parks it. Yep, better back it up just a smidge more. Now he'll go ahead and we're going to start pulling the pallets out. There's the first one. This one is a toy pallet, I believe, from Via Trading. Gets it on his lift gate, rolls it right on in. Had a little bit of trouble over the gravel there, but he pulls it closer later. Let's get a better vantage point. I can't see inside the warehouse where he's putting them. There, that's better. This is pallet number 2. This one is also a toy pallet from a major department store, I think. This one also had my makeup case inside of it. Then we have a massive one. Part of the reason he didn't back the truck up as close as normal drivers is because of this particular pallet. That thing is massive. It's basically a double stacked pallet, which was able to have the shipping. He's got to get a little bit closer to the building there to get it right onto my concrete because that one weighs so much. So this one is double stacked, and you'll be able to see in the picture that it's a shoe lot. So they double stacked another pallet on top to be able to give me the most affordable shipping option. And so I'm going to have him park it in a place where I can just do the unpacking of it right away. And that's all it took. So he's going to just load the rest of his stuff up and off he goes. This guy's name was Ralph, and he was amazing and super friendly. So everything just got dropped off. I signed my slip from the company, and then we have another slip that is right here on the side. That's basically my shipping label. So I ordered 4 pallets, and I believe that they double stacked one, which is awesome because probably that's how we got shipping so cheap, which is amazing. And then a couple of toy pallets. So this is what they look like so far, and I'll be unboxing them in the very near future. So these are my 3 pallets that I got from Via Trading, and my case, as you can see, is on top of the second pallet there, the case of makeup that I ordered. And so I'm excited to break into these, and hopefully it's been helpful to see exactly how they drop off pallets and schedule all of your shipping through the transportation company. I got a phone call a half hour before they were going to arrive, and then a phone call when they pulled onto my road so they knew exactly what building they were going to. So hope this helps, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.